Yeah, it's really windy today. Going out for a ride on the Yamaha. Again, as usual. I got to get gas and cigarettes. But I got to stop at two places because I don't get gas at Marathon. No, I don't get gas at Marathon. I just get gas at Quick Trip. Which way do I want to take today? I have no idea. Let's go this way. I can't go that way. Fuck. You're working on fucking everything. I guess maybe. Do a detour? Yeah, they got everything tore up. Turning. It's about 65 degrees. Nice out. Do I speed everywhere? A little bit. Try to keep it under 40 half the time. Yeah, try to keep it under 40 half the time. Yeah, right now I'm only buying one pack at a time. I'll be out in a minute. Yeah, now it all depends on what Quick Trip I want to go to. Yes. What Quick Trip do I want to go to? It's windy. Let's go to the Quick Trip over here. I think my fucking gas gauge is lying to me. I don't know. Maybe not. Maybe not. Somebody lost their brake pad. Yamaha's running good. It needs gas. You gotta ride in the weather that you're given, I guess. Yeah, ride. Yeah. Ride. Wow. There's flowers on that. Hopefully I can show you the flowers. Everybody's driving fucking weird today. Yes, they are. Yeah. We'll see what $8 gets. The wind is wicked. Full tank. See if we can go run with the wind. Yeah, see if we can run with the wind and not get hit by a damn car. Some days I feel like a Minnesota Viking. I'll go out in any weather. want to rip down division. Sounds like something to do. The light's been changing, so that's it. Right behind a metro bus. Metro bus. Chick-fil-A. I don't even think I've ever been there. Oh, I gotta wait for the bus. Through the bus. Bus on it. Yeah, but I like how close everything is kind of now. Keep leaving my fucking blinker on. Don't fucking notice it's on. That's all I need to do, so I'm probably just gonna run home. Might be windy, but it's a beautiful day. Beautiful, but it's fucking windy. God, I hate rolling slow. I doing? I have no idea. I want some from Kwik Trip, but I didn't have that. Yeah, the other Kwik Trip didn't have nothing. Probably gonna go to this Kwik Trip right behind me. I like the one though. And I'm probably gonna end you at Kwik Trip because this fucking wind is, wind is getting out of hand. This wind is just wicked. I accomplished getting gas and Yeah. And cigarettes. What I was gonna do today anyway. This light will ever change. Yeah, fucking miracle. Their light's changing. Who's getting it? Not me. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Catch you in the next ride. I'm just gonna pick up stuff and go home. Have a good day.